Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the April 2021 Witch's Roots box. Yes, I know it's late. I'm finally done with finals for the time being, so I have like 10 days with no school to myself. Well, there's still school, but in a different format. No assignments at any rate. So I'm really excited. Don't mind my dogs barking, don't mind my sighing. Somebody literally left me that comment. God bless your heart. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be me on my channel. This is very low-key. It's like we're sitting in my witch room and you are just having a lovely chat with me over tea. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's dive into this beauty. Oh, Fairy Elven Star. Oh, this is so pretty. Amber. Interesting. What's the theme here? The Ancient Allure. Oops. Oh, we got a pendant. Very pretty. I grant thee beauty, harmony, and serenity. Very nice. Love, 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 love. I think I'm going to use that in my working for New Moon Taurus. So this is an amber. Pretty, pretty. Ooh, we've got a lot in this box this month. Oh, it's an incense thing. See, here's the pendant. These are the little things for your oil, and this is the chain. So that's very cool. Very, very cool. We've got rose petals. Amber resin. So cool. We've got a lovely pink candle. Yeah, solid pink. Sometimes there's like glitter or markings on them that are really cute, but the pinks are perfectly wonderful. Amber essence. Amber is one of my favorite incenses. And then we've got a spray. This was a deluxe box. It's one of my favorite boxes. Let's give her a smell. Smells nice. Alright, let's read about this, guys. During a time of excitement, growth, newfound opportunities, and experiences, we delve into the playful, powerful, and wonderful realms of ancient correspondences. So, amber, incense, resin. Very, very, very cool. I'm so excited. I don't even think I have any of this. I am so psyched, dude. As one of our favorite resins to work with, amber has always been a go-to during times of needed grounding and meditation, which is what I've been working on. Amber resin is also a wonderful addition to any attraction spells or crafting, or simply to set the mood. It's commonly known for its ability to make the wearer irresistible and seductive, corresponding with its quality of emitting sacred and divine energies. Nice. Then we have the Amber Grimoire art print, which I have got a video coming out about a project I've been working on with those. And dried rose petals, which we've gotten this very many times, so I'm not going to go into all of it. The fairy locket. So the fairy locket, as with any locket, is for you to decide which energies you choose to help aid you on the path. Place amber resin, rose, and any other talismans that you may be called to include within this vessel. In addition, you'll find small cotton squares that can be dressed with essential or magical oils. Very cool. It's like a little, kind of like a witch ball, but a smaller container. Fairy Star Ritual Aura Spray. That's the Fairy Star. We are thrilled to be able to introduce our Fairy Star Ritual Aura Spray. Protection. Used before divination and meditation. Amber, rose, vanilla, and a special mixture of our Eider magical oil from our Cabinet of Witchery. I have been taking a page out of J. Allen Cross's book, and I've been using Maria Lockman's Florida water in a thing, and it has been changing my life. But this is also really cool. Fairy Even Star Book of Shadows art print. A Serenity coin, which is just absolutely very, very cool. Amber Essence Ritual Incense Sticks, which I absolutely love amber incense sticks. Otherworld Realm Mini Spell Candle. And a Tumbled Sumatran Amber. Wow. Amber is so light. This box is always just a joy. It is such a good value. I absolutely love it. I have been really adding to my herbal work. It's something that I do intend to work on. It's harder, easier said than done, right, with all of my obligations. But I am diligently growing herbs, and that's also learning. So even if I'm not like making this fabulous grimoire, I'm getting the practical knowledge of growing and communing with this herb through its life cycle. So I am still very grateful for all the opportunities, but this box in the interim just gives me like a new herb every month just to connect with, to learn about, a beautiful Book of Shadows artwork, and I've got a plan on how to use those finally. I cannot wait to share them with you soon. So I highly recommend this box to you. The information is going to be in the description box below. I'm going to say I've never gotten amber in a box before. I'm not the stone, but like the resin. And I'm super psyched about that. It's always very nice when somebody like me who has just been getting these boxes for a very long time gets something like so new, and Witch's Moon is extremely good about that. So I highly recommend them to you. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. There's a lot coming up on my channel. There should be a 1,500 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Thank you for sticking with me through this, challenging time in my life. Both personally and with just like all these obligations that I have to do to make it. Also on the 9th, 10th, and 11th of May, we're going to be doing a virtual yard sale. So I can offload some of this stuff. There's going to be great prizes. There's going to be great prices as well. And at least one giveaway every night that we make a sale. So that's a caveat there. If I'm going to the post office, I've got to make something. I have some content about like creating, and maybe a brief update about what I've been up to, because even though I haven't been doing this, I have been doing a lot behind the scenes with my healing and my growth since that really since the beginning of the year, but a lot more since the really traumatic event that I experienced this year. I mean, it's been a lot. Oh, and I'm going to be live with Rochelle on Amethyst Ascension's channel on May 10th. So I love you guys. See you soon.